What's happening, Toyota Sequoia people out there? So I'm still chasing down what's going on with my Sequoia. Like I said, I suspect the body ECU is bad, but I'm not convinced yet. So I printed out the wiring diagram flowchart for the rear window switches, and we're going to just start there. So from the battery, it goes to a 140 amp alternator fuse. That wire, so it's a white wire, and then that powers the power main relay. From the power main relay, it feeds two other fuses, two 20 amp circuits that actually feed the left and right window switch in the rear. So you see that? So out of the two 20 amp fuses, which I think I verified all the fuses, but I'm going to double check them again. And then it comes through, and then it supplies power to the rear window switches, which I know I do not have. So now I need to go further up and see what's going on, because I have no voltage here. So that should be direct voltage once it comes through the power relay. So the main power relay goes to ground on one side, and then I didn't figure out where the trigger is, but I am going to suspect driver door ECU. Son of a bitch. That's the fucking piece I can't find. I'm going to need to take a little closer look. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can't just get this circuit to function without. This may help somebody who's chasing down the same problem, but I definitely don't have power at the switches in the back. So if I apply power to this switch, I should be able to get the windows to go up and down, provided that the load, I haven't figured out where the load's coming from. Switch. I'm wondering if the load is coming out of the body ECU, which I would suspect. Power window motor, front power motor, right hand. So the load's coming out of the ECUs. Let me do some more digging, but this is how the circuit flows for the rear window switches. I'll do it nice and slow for you guys. So like I said, I'm starting at the switches, and then I'll start backtracking.